Welcome folks to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making watermelon salad with feta cheese. It's a Mediterranean salad and it's real easy, it's light and cold, and it's great for summertime. We're going to start with your watermelon. Now I bought my watermelon, but I had to cube it up a little bit smaller. But you can buy you one of them big old watermelons. If you got, had watermelon one day and you got half of it the next, you can just take the rind off and cut it in little pieces like this. That's about what you want. You take your cucumber, and I kind of took the skin off a little bit to look like that, kind of make it a little bit fancy, and just cut it up in little cubes like this. And then you got your feta cheese. Mine was already crumbled, but you can buy the block of feta and just take it out, rinse it off if it's in a brine, and then just crumble it up. And then mint and basil, I just gave it a little chop like this. And then I fixed my dressing, and it's just olive oil, lime juice, and honey, and a little salt and pepper. And you just whisk it together. Now you want to hold off on this dressing. You don't want to pour the dressing all over the salad and let it sit there. I would wait until you serve it, or if you're going to just eat it a little bit at a time. Some people put them in a little mason jar with a lid and just shake it up when you want to use it. So we're going to start with our watermelon, and we got cucumbers, and these are seedless cucumbers. And I've got a little bit for my son out because he doesn't like cucumbers. And then we got a little bit of mint. And basil. And you could put blueberries in here. It'll make it red, white, and blue for the 4th of July or anything like that. It'd be pretty. And then we got the feta. So we're just going to sprinkle it across the top. Just how much you like. And that's all to it. It's so simple. And then we're going to toss it. It's crunchy, it's cold. That watermelon is cold. The cucumber. Now you can put a red onion in it, but just slice it thinly if you want it. I have an app for that. I didn't put onion in mine, but you're more than welcome to. Now look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so crunchy and cold. Now, after you're through mixing it up, we'll take a little bit out. Just put it all in there. Now, if you're not going to serve it right then, you put this dressing on at the last minute because it will get soggy. But I'm going to put just a little bit on mine. That's what it looks like. Now you can put more feta in there. You can put more basil or mint. You know, whatever your thing is you like. Let's taste it. Get a little bit of everything. The crunch of the watermelon and the cucumber is delicious. You can taste the feta. The salad dressing is light. It's not overpowering. And then you can taste the mint. So I hope you try this salad. It's delicious. It's a cool treat in a hot day. Down in the comments, let me know if you've ever had watermelon salad with feta. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Now before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection links for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to AuntSandy'sKitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. And if this video really helped you, scroll down and look for the thank you button. It's called a super thanks, and it means more than you'll ever know. God bless, and we'll see you in the kitchen. So thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.